Hey guys, FMHK here, obviously, and if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos almost every week. I actually skipped last week. Make sure you already subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and click that notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a video. Now, on this video, we're gonna be kind of just answering some questions that you guys asked me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go there and you follow me so you don't miss the Q&As that also happens there. And also maybe sometimes on Twitter. I'm still trying to get to know how Twitter actually works, but I'm mainly on Instagram. Now in this Q&A, I'm just gonna try and answer maybe 4 or 5 questions that you guys actually asked me. Now I know that at the time most of you guys are actually, not most of you guys, I hope all of you guys are actually locked down at home for the 21-day lockdown because of the coronavirus, which has been spreading like fire even in South Africa. We already have a lot of cases, but I know we're gonna make it through these tough times as well, as long as we follow what we are told to do, which is staying at home, washing our hands, and so forth. I'm not an expert, so I'm not gonna be talking about this thing here in the channel. I'm just gonna try and answer you guys' question. This is a tech channel, which I'm actually gonna try and be doing some vlogs during this quarantine time. Let me know if you're actually looking forward to the vlogs. I have one coming in soon, right after this video, most probably, so stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. Now, to answer your guys' question, let's jump into the first question. Are you still studying, and for how long has it been? Break it down. So I am no longer studying, but if I have to break it down, if you guys don't know, I'm originally from Angola, but I have been living in South Africa since I was in grade 8 or 7 if I'm not mistaken. So I did my primary here, I did the high school here. I attended a school named Rentotoro College, which is down in Observatory. I did my first year of college in college campus, that's under IIE, which is the Independent Institute of Education, which also Varsity College is a part of. So I did a 2-year diploma there, which was an IT networking diploma. After that, I did 1-year certificate in business management, and from there I moved to UJ, which I did a 4-year degree. So I actually been studying for 7 years almost, which could actually be a medical, I could actually be a doctor by now, imagine that. But I'm here on YouTube sitting talking to you guys. Wow. Next question. If you could wake up anywhere in the world, where would that be? At the moment, I think with the pandemic going on, I'm actually at the right place. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else because this is home, and the right place to be right now is at home. But if this had to pass, I think the one place that I would want to wake up on would probably be an island, maybe Hawaii. Yeah, Hawaii. I would like to wake up in Hawaii. Next questions. Do you wanna move out of SA permanently in the near future, and why or why not? I wouldn't want to move permanently from SA. As I mentioned, this is home. But I wouldn't mind actually move out of here, maybe for a season, maybe a year or two, maybe go to the States and see how things are done that side in terms of technology, because I mean, that's the hub of tech. So it would be nice to experience tech from that side of the world. But yeah, I wouldn't want to move out of South Africa permanently because this is home. Hey guys, Editing PMHK here. Just a reminder, I have this tripod here that I'm giving away. Make sure you go check out the video on it. It's called 2 Essentials. That's the name of that video. Make sure you go check that video for you to be able to enter for this giveaway. But when that video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to be giving away this guy here. So go back to that video and check out, and let's go back to the Q&A. The next question is, don't you find it difficult to stay motivated on YouTube, like consistently uploading? I mean, the only way for small YouTubers like me to actually grow on YouTube is to consistently upload videos. But there is once in a while, like last week, I was feeling a little bit down because of what's going on in the world right now. But I need to tell myself that I actually need to push and upload as much as I can, and that's the only way to grow here on YouTube. So yes, you do feel kind of down once in a while, but you always have the next week or the next day to actually kick back and upload a new video. The last question is, how do you afford all your tech? Now, the simplest answer is I do not have social life. I don't spend money on drinks. I don't consume alcohol that much. I don't spend money on cigarette, and I really don't party. So my life is basically tech. So I don't really spend money much unless it's food or maybe sneakers. I'm buying tech. So that's basically how I can afford to buy tech. And that's the last question. Thank you guys so much for participating on this Q&A. If you didn't get a chance to ask a question, maybe because you didn't know I was doing a Q&A, make sure you are following me on Instagram, and you can actually leave questions down below the like button, down by the comments, and I'm gonna try and answer those questions maybe on the next Q&A, which you guys can actually tell me when you want that to be, but make sure you leave your questions down in the comments, and also let me know how is this phase going in your life, like the lockdown and all these things that have been going on, coronavirus and stuff. How are you actually taking it? How are you coping? And what are you doing now that you have to stay at home for 21 days? It's been 4-5 days now, and I must say I'm still okay. I don't know what's gonna happen next week. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, and make sure you actually subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.